In this video, we're going to go through and show you how to get access to your Google Analytics property. So step one, go to Google and type in Google Analytics. Click on the first thing that shows up here, which is going to redirect you over to your portal. Now, if you're not already logged in, like myself, let me log myself out for simplicity. You're going to end up, hold on here, you're going to end up seeing a page like this. So in this case, we're going to click on the associated your email. Make sure we get the right login. And then it's going to send us to this. Alrighty here. So once we have access, now we're in our backend platform of Google Analytics. So it's very simple to go through and give someone access. All we got to do is go down to the bottom left where you see admin. Once we're under admin, we're going to go under the first of these three columns where it says account. So under the account, you want to make sure that the right property is associated. In this case, we're focusing on AdLabs marketing. And now we're going to go down to account access management. So under account access management, you'll see that we have a variety of users. In order to add an additional user, we'll go up to the top right and hit the plus icon. In this one, it's very simple and very similar to other platforms that we've shown. But we're going to go to and click on administrator. And then we're going to put in the corresponding email that was provided. In this case, AdLabs marketing team at gmail.com. And then we'll go through and click add. As you see here, it is now there. It was there before, but as you see, it is there. And so what will occur is it will then send us an invite, and then we'll be able to go through and access this accordingly. All right, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, we look forward to talking with you again soon.